Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in energy, consumer durables, and apparel and semiconductor equipment sectors. On the economic docket, the Mortgage Bankers Association mortgage applications falling 9.2% for the week ending November 29th, down from a rise of 1.5% the week before, while ADP employment change shows that firms added 67,000 jobs in November, below the 135,000 estimate. Market U.S. Services PMI released as expected at 51.6 for the November final read, and ISM non-manufacturing PMI falling to 53.9, below consensus. This all as 79% of SP500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Synopsys releasing fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.15, just above expectations, up from 78 cents a year ago on revenue of $851.1 million. Tiffany reporting third quarter net income down to $78.4 million, or 65 cents a share from $94.9 million a year ago. In terms of expectations, we do have Kroger, Brown-Forman, and Ulta Beauty, while on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have both initial and continuing jobless claims, October imports, exports, and balance of trade, and after the opening bell, we have factory orders excluding transportation. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside. The relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 31.01 are favored, with targets at 31.30 and 31.48 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees its aim at 84.06, while the Dow Jones sees 28,040 in sight.